Hello friends, in today's video we will see how to generate a customized PDF report. As you know, in the CashBook application we can generate the PDF report by tapping onto the PDF button which is there in the top right. But today we will see how to customize that report with dates and names. So just below the remark section you can see a calendar and a filter option. So as we click on this calendar, there are various options like all time and today. Like it will show me all the transactions which are done today. It will in yesterday's it will show me up the transactions which were done yesterday. For the next one, this month, it will show me up the transactions for the month, like all my transactions. Similarly, I can view my transactions for the last month, for any single day, like from when my cashbook was created. I can choose any particular date and I can view the transactions of that date. And similarly, I can choose my own date range to customize my PDF report. So for now, we'll see all the transactions for this month. So I'll click on this month, and here it is giving me an option to add opening balance or not. So we'll quickly see what is an opening balance. Opening balance is a balance which is being carried forward from my previous months, and it is giving me an option whether I want to see in this month's cashbook or my PDF report or not. So I'll apply this. I want to see it, so I'll apply this, and I also want to see only the cash in entries which I have made in this month. So I'll use this filter option and I'll tap on cash in, and again I will apply, and you can see all my cash in entries for the month. I'll generate the PDF report for the same, and as you can see on the screen, my search term is none, my entry type is cash in, my duration is for the month. So I can very well share this report and I can download this report. And now we will see, like if I want to search any of the entry, if I want to download a report with a particular remark, let's say I want to see all my transactions with Raj. So I'll type in Raj in the remark section, and as you can see on my screen, I have all my transactions, my cash in and cash out entries with Raj, and I can download this as well. I will tap on the PDF and generate PDF, and as you can see my search term is Raj, my duration is still the same, 1st of July to 31st of July. I did not change that, and here are my transactions for the month with Raj. I can also share this report and download it. In today's video, we'll end here. Thank you.